Ladies and gentlemen, if having one GR Yaris on the premises isn't good enough for you, well, how about this? We've got two GR Yarises on our premises. One is precious black and the other one is red. Don't ask me what red it is because I ain't looked into what colour that is exactly. It's a rally homologation special. It's a rally car for the road. You can go 50-50 on the drivetrain, you can go 70-30 on the drivetrain, or you can go 60-40. What other car can do that apart from the legendary GTR? And you can't change it on them unless you get like some mad aftermarket thing. Here, as you can see, is the beautiful GR Yaris, which I've already mentioned. So, the weapons of mass destruction have, I don't know if that's a good thing to call you guys. No. The professional technicians have now removed the catback exhaust on the GR Yaris. And if you take a look at it, I'll show you how it's constructed. So you got your monkey flange there. Yes, I'll call it a monkey flange. I don't care what you professionals call it out there. This is a spring-loaded flange, so you don't really need a flexi in the exhaust because of that. You got this secondary lambda sensor. You've got an OPF filter, and you've got some mad 70mm pipe into a mid resonator, and you've got a backbox silencer. Look at these puny little turnips, bro. Look at that. You know what I'm saying? That is very, very small. And I'm not going to compare it to anything, but that is small, bro. Right? So as you can see, Dan is now fiddling with the vehicle. And we are here about to... Dennis, what are we about to do, bro?
We're about to take off this cat.
Yeah? We're going to take off that catalytic converter and we're going to replace it with a high-flow performance cat. Euro 5 certified, MOT compliant, because everything over here is legal. Here we have a valved backbox silencer, and that's what we're going to be integrating onto our custom exhaust for this GR Yaris, right? So the client will have the functionality of on and off, loud and quiet. He works night shifts, and that's what he needs. We're going to be running a 3-inch cat back all the way through, and as I've already mentioned, a sports cat downpipe. Also, we're going to be calibrating the ECU, which means we're going to be mapping it. It's going to be absolutely mental. Keep an eye on this. It's going to be nuts.
How happy are you?
Happy, really happy. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Listen here, mate. We've done a stage 1 remap, custom tune, live road tune, sports cat downpipe, full exhaust system, valved exhaust system on this GR Yaris. It's started up already. We're going to listen to it. Listen to this.